Hello all. Today we will discuss about forming and shaping processes. Last time we have discussed about introduction of this process and plastic deformation, work hardening process, and now today we will discuss about hot working, cold working, and something methods for the process. Okay, now let's start. Last time we have discussed about this point, sheet metal working process. This is die and this is punch. Between the die and punch, the process has been done. Next is hot rolling process. The hot rolling process is the process of the material passing through the roll mill. The process of rolling passes of hot ignite through the two wheels, rotating in opposite direction and in uniform peripheral speed. To confirm desired thickness, the roller section shape between roll is adjust is always less than thickness of ingot being fed. Hence, reduce cross section and increase length of passing ingot. The rolls are sequence, which is given in this diagram. In this diagram, two rolls are there. One is lower roll and another one is upper roll. The material is passing between these two rolls. One is end diaphragm and recrystallization and grain earth of that process. When the metal passes through the rolls, there is change in gain structure due to squeezing. The gains are elongate in direction of rolling and in velocity material at exit is higher than the entry. So after crossing that cross section zone, the gain start refining. And this process is always done above recrystallization temperature and below melting point. So this process is called hot rolling process. From the rolling process, we can get some basic shapes which is given in the diagram. From bloom we can get rails, from slab we can get coils, from billet we can get bars. What is ingot? Ingot is the largest casting section suitable for shape make further processing. What is bloom? Bloom is a square or rectangular piece formed after reducing ingots. In size of blooms range between 1500 mm by 150 mm to 250 mm by 250 mm. Rolling products from bloom, it is like structure shapes, rails, etc. Then billet. Billet is also formed after reducing ingot but heavy some small cross sections. The size of billet range from 50 mm to 50 mm by 150 by 150 mm. The rolling product from billet can get rods, wires, etc. Then slab. Slab are metal pieces which is rectangular cross section and has a thickness between 50 to 150 mm. Width between 300 to 1500 mm. Rolling products from slab we can get sheets, plates, strips, etc. Rolling process various section rolling. The main purpose of rolling is convert larger sections such as ingot into smaller section which can be used directly as rolled state or stock working through other processes. As the result of rolling is improvement in physical property of casting and ingot such strength, toughness, ductility, shock resistance, etc. etc. Various useful articles like structure, sections, sheets, rails, plates, bars, etc. are produced through the rolling. The figure shows commonly used rolled section. The desired reduction cross section of billet required shape of rolling in a single pass. The figure shows sequence of rolling, number of passes required to reduce cross section of billet, round steel bar. The process starts with reduction of ingot which have been heated a gas fired furnace up to temperature of 1200 degrees Celsius. The ingots are taken to rolling mill where they are rolled into immediate shapes as blooms, billets or slabs. The bloom has square cross section with minimum size 150 by 150 mm and a billet is smaller than a bloom and it may have square section from 38 mm up to the size of a bloom. The slab have rectangular cross section with minimum width of 250 mm and minimum thickness of 38 mm. So this is sequence 1 to 15. From start of billet we can steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the last step we can get round bar from this square section. Then types of rolling mill. According to number of arrangement of rolling mill are classified as given below. First one is two high rolling mill. Second one is three high rolling mill. Third one is four high rolling mill. Fourth one is tandem rolling mill. Then fifth one is cluster rolling mill. Then sixth one is planetary rolling mill. And the last seventh one is universal rolling mill. So let's start from our first rolling mill is two high rolling mill. In this diagram, the figure shows 1, 2 and 3 different rolling mill. First, we will focus on figure A. Figure A is 2 high rolling mill. It consists of two heavy horizontal rolls placed exactly one over other. Its shape between the rolls, two roll can adjusted by rising or lowering upper roll whether the position of lower roll is fixed. Both rolls are rotated in opposite direction. Please refer figure A. In this type of their direction, the rotation is fixed and cannot reverse. There is another type of two high rolling mill which is incompressive drive is mechanical, can reverse rotation and direction of that rolls. This type of rolling mill is called two high reversing rolling mill. Now Another one is three high rolling mill. Three high rolling mill diameter is shown at middle. In this rolling mill, there are three rolls are in one line. It consists of three horizontal rolls in position directly one over to another. The direction of rotation of the upper and lower rolls are same, but intermediate rolls rotate in opposite direction to each other. You can refer the diagram B, which is given at middle. At the three rolls revolve continuously in same fixed direction and they are never reversed. The workpiece feed in one direction between the upper roll and in the reverse of the middle and lower rolls. This result high production rate than too high rolling mill. So always refer for high productivity. Three high rolling mill is generally used for it. Okay, next four high rolling mill. It consists of four horizontal rolls. For example, two are smaller and two are larger diameter arranged directly 1 over to 1 over. You can refer figure number 3. The larger diameter rolls are backup rolls and they are used to prevent deflection of smaller rolls, which is otherwise would result tinkering of roll plates sheets at the center. The smaller diameter rolls are called as working rolls, which concentrate total rolling pressure over the metal. In common products, these mills are used in both hot rolling process and it is also used in cold working process. Next, tandem mill. Tandem rolling mill is given in diagram number D. It is a set of two or three stand of roll sets in parallel alignment. This facilitates continue pass through each one successively without change of direction of the metal of pose in rolling process. Diagram shows tending rolling mill in the left side. Another one is cluster rolling mill. The diagram of cluster rolling mill is shown at right side. It is special type of four high rolling mill. In this, which is two working roll are backed by two or more large backup rolls. You can refer figure E, which is given at right side. For rolling hard thin materials, it is necessary to employ work roll of small diameter but considerable length. In such cases, adequate support of working roll can be obtained by using the rolling mill. Then next is planetary rolling mill. Planetary rolling mill diagram of planetary rolling mill is shown in figure. For the rolling arrangement, it required large reduction in number of free rotating wheels are used instead of single small roll. Planetary rolling mill consists pair of heavy backing rolls surrounded by large number of planetary rolls. You can refer the figure. In this figure, there are six rolls given for this main. The main feature of this mill is that it reduced a hot slab is a coiled strip in a single pass. Each pair of planetary rolls given almost constant reduction to the slab. The total reduction in sum of series of such small reductions following each other in rapid section. The feed roll are used to push slab through a guide into planetary rolls. On the exit of side place replacing the mill is instead to improve surface finish. Next is universal rolling mill. Universal rolling mill is given in the diagram. In this type of mill, there is two vertical rolls and two horizontal rolls are given. You can refer this diagram. In this diagram, there are four rolls are given. First two rolls are vertical and first two rolls are horizontal. The vertical rolls are mounted either on one side or both sides of horizontal rolls. Stand with make its edges free bar of heaven smooth. The horizontal rolls may be either too high or three high or four high arrangement. The arrangement is always like its requirement. Okay, this was the types of rolling mills. Now we will see about effect of front and back tension in the rolling. The roll force can cause deflection and flattening of the roll which advisory affect the rolling operation. Also roll stand including housing, bearing, chocks, etc. may strength due to roll forces so such an extent that the roll gaps upon significantly. To compensate this deflection and to obtain the desired final thickness, the roll have to set closer than we calculate. The roll forces can be reduced by using following methods. The methods are first is to reduce contact area, use smaller diameter of rolls. To reduce contact area, you take smaller reduction in every pass. You can reduce friction. To lower or strength of material roll at high temperature. Another effective technique for reduce roll forces is to apply longitudinal stress to the strip during the rolling. Due to this, compensative stress is required to deform material practically become smaller. As the process required high roll force, tension are partially import of rolling is high strength materials. The tension can be applied on the strip either entry zone or exit or both. If the tension is applied at the entry zone, it is called back tension, whereas if the tension is applied at exit zone, then it is called front tension. Back tension is applied to sheet by applying braking action to the real supply the sheet of the roll gap by some suitable means. Front tension is applied to increasing rotational speed of that rear. In next lecture, we will discuss about more about rolling, roll pass, and etc. Thank you.